But we have a lot of news to get to. We begin with some important primary election results, including a major victory for supporters of abortion rights. They celebrated in Kansas last night after voters rejected a move to remove abortion right protections from the state's constitution. Now, this is the first referendum on the issue since the Supreme Court struck down Roe versus Wade. Voters rejected the measure put forth by Republican legislators, nearly 60 to 40%. Caitlin Huey-Burns is in Olathe near Kansas City. Caitlin, good morning to you. This result is obviously getting a lot of attention all across the country.
Good morning, Jerika. Yes, this is a result that could have national implications. President Biden says this makes clear that a majority of Americans support access to abortion. Still, the results were a surprise here in Kansas because this is a conservative state. Donald Trump won it by about 14 points in 2020. But turnout here was huge, which suggests that both Republicans and Democrats support access to abortion.
A resounding victory for abortion rights supporters in a conservative state.
I feel like my state just showed up and boldly told me that they are going to take care of me.
Kansas voters rejected a ballot measure that would have eliminated constitutional protections for abortion in the state, a move that would have allowed the Republican legislature to further restrict or enact a near ban on the procedure.
Is this the end? Can the legislature do anything on this issue?
I think it might be a while before we get another bite at the apple.
It was the first time voters had a direct say on the issue since Roe v. Wade was overturned, and turnout was significantly higher than expected for a primary contest in the state at 47%.
What was at stake was our constitutional rights and our freedom. And so, a coalition of voters across the political spectrum came together today and voted no.
Abortion rights supporters hope the win reverberates beyond Kansas.
And if you can see that the no votes win here, then that would mean that you could have that in any part of the country, no matter how red it is.
So what happens here in Kansas could be a roadmap for other states.
It is a roadmap for how do we make sure that we're asserting, defending, and protecting the rights of women to have access to care in any part of the country.
As voters here in Kansas decided to preserve abortion rights at the federal level, President Biden is expected to sign an executive order to expand access to reproductive care. Nate?
Caitlin, thank you.